Now, I told you very interestingly what are the subatomic, three subatomic particle. Subatomic particle, the particle which made the atom. The particle. So there are three particles which made the atom: proton, neutron, electron. Proton, neutron, electron. Proton and neutron, they have the similar mass, nearly same mass. Electron is light particle. So proton and neutron is in the nucleus, circular nucleus, they remain in the nucleus. And the electron, this is electron, this is uh, motion around the nucleus. The motion around the nucleus, the electron do the motion around the nucleus, and the nucleus, proton and neutron inside the circular nucleus. Proton is positive charge, neutron has no charge, electron has negative charge. In the atom, total number of proton is equal to total number of the electron. So that what? The atom is electrically neutral. Atom is electrically neutral because total number of proton is equal to total number of the electron. Proton, neutron at the center of the atom, and the electron move around the nucleus. The part is called as a nucleus, where proton and neutron is light circular part. This part is called as a nucleus, and around that nucleus the electron can be revolved, do the motion. The path of motion is not fixed. The path of motion of the electron is not fixed. It is a complicated path of motion. Around the nucleus, the path of motion of the electron is complicated. I further told you interestingly, proton, neutron, electron, they are not the ultimate particle. They are also breakable. They can be made by quark. Still small particle, they can be made by the quark particle. So now you can remember proton, neutron, electron, that they are called as the three subatomic particles. They are further made from quark, still small particle. Share this information to the maximum people. Share. Thanks.